Need a battery adapter. I was gonna fly this one, but it's only 15C. It's in that plane. I brought two of them though, but right here.
Yeah, I need to get some 90 degrees. I already got two 90-degree antennas coming, but I might just order another set because they're only $15.
I got these off Amazon.
$15?
These?
Yeah, that's the same thing I ordered. Except mine already have the right angle on it.
There it is.
And I already got the one that's got the right plug in it.
Lost one of these out here yesterday.
Strap?
Mm-hmm. Oh, you found it.
No, this is mine.
Oh.
So do you need more?
No. I don't want to take a sip, man.
All the way up, and then when I finally got moving forward, I cut the power so it would dive like this. I'm in my car. Flying pretty damn good. You got plenty of power.
Yeah, we'll push that.
That was cool.
That's the wind doing that shit, not me.
Yeah.
See that shit. Dude, I'm just gonna ride the wind. No power. Whoa! No, don't do that!
Oh man, that thing just fell straight down.
The other day I was actually able to ride the wind.
Not today.
I got 4 elevators. I mean, ailerons,
Yeah, you need it today.
Yeah. Look at that wind. She's flying sideways, see her?
Yeah. I'm watching. Oh, that was cool. Uh-oh. You lost it, didn't you?
Yeah, for a second there. The wind was just doing what it wanted with it, dude.
People out there, too. They're probably like, oh, we're done for. This plane's going to kill our dog. I think it probably hurt pretty bad. I'm sure.
I guess that blue battery. I got 3 of them blue batteries. I guess they'll be alright, won't they?
Yeah, it's got plenty of power.
Especially flying in this shit. You know? Flying sideways.
Can't even tell you crashed it.
I know. And loop. And roll. Not easy to do a roll with the wind than against it. These things are so badass, they really are. You see the wind do that? Look at it sideways, look.
They just don't, if you cut the power, they're not gliders.
Yeah.
They sink. But man, you got that thing full throttle, it does like the fly.
Now I'm riding the wind. I didn't cut the throttle all the way, I just kind of cut it back. See? It's cool, huh? Sitting still. She does got some power, doesn't she?
Yeah, I'd say you got plenty of power with that battery.
Sideways again, look.
Ready for that diesel.
Double roll! Woo, there you go. I'm not very good at making these turns right here.
I know, me either. That's why I keep trying to practice them in my airplane.
They scare me. But now I'm getting good because I'm FPV in that way. You know what I mean?
Yeah, you should try flying the other way next time.
Yeah, you're right, because I'm just going to be stuck. I got something I made. I want to show you, see what you think about putting my camera on the center of my plane. It's in my case. I'll show it to you.
Oh, so you don't get the...
Yeah, so I can be right on the fuselage.
There you go.
These little batteries I bought at that swap meet show. We need to find another one of them, you know what?
Did you get the Facebook things I sent you?
Yeah.
There's a couple new ones, a couple different ones coming out.
They don't want to land, but...
You're going to have to come in this way.
I know it. Get some height.
You can do it.
Fuck, it's dropping quick.
You're like, oh, go for the grass.
That wasn't bad, though. The pilot would have lived.
It wasn't on the runway.
It would have been scary as fuck, but... Hey, I got the new wheels in. New plates and stuff.
I wonder if the hookers and guns are mad at us for coming out here all the time.
See, that was the first crash. And then the second crash, it broke right here. You know? And I got bamboo skewers, one here and one here, going all the way into the body, and then another one behind going through here and through here. This thing's so fucking...
You can't even tell.
Dude, it ain't going... I tell you, I got enough that we can build probably 2 more of these.
And that guy's got that, Paul's got some more. He wants to come out.
Yeah, we need to do that, dude.
He wants to come out and hang out with us.
Well, that's fine. On the 3rd, I want to go to the house and buy everything. You know? Yeah, the 3rd, I want to go to his house and buy everything. Fuck. I'm going to buy that Super Cub and put ailerons on it. You know what? What do you think?
Yeah, he's got that Super Cub.
I'm going to buy that Super Cub and put